And Mike, this is actually my listening room. I just got this brand new state-of-the-art surround sound system. It's pretty nice. You know, I gotta grab that really quick, but here, have a seat and take a listen to this puppy.
I'm a man in a box.
You! Yeah, you! You gotta help me out, man. You gotta get me out of here.
What?
He's got me locked in here, man. You gotta help me out.
Who does?
You gotta help me out.
Is everything okay here, Mike?
I was checking out your hardware.
It's not. Yeah, you're right, Mike. It's a fine piece of equipment, but please have a seat. You know, the stereo is actually voice activated. It's pretty cool. Watch this. Stereo, play classic rock.
Hello, hello, hello. Is there anybody in
Stereo, play adult contemporary.
'Cause I don't want the world to see me.
Stereo,
And I
shuffle.
don't help. I need
Next song.
Trapped in the
Next
closet.
song.
I want to break
Yeah, man. I
Volume down.
actually gotta get going.
Oh, really? Are you sure you don't want to stay?
I gotta.
Mike, please. Stay, I insist.
Self-satisfied, I don't need you. I've got to break free.